Welcome to Eagles Connect, the new online portal from Eagles Plumbing Plus. Eagles Connect gives you access to invoices, payments, orders, quotes, and so much more. In this tutorial, we'll take you through how to search and view invoices, view your current account balances, as well as pay your account securely using Eagles Connect. First, click the pink Invoice button on the homepage. In Eagles Connect, you can quickly and easily search and see your invoices in the one place. We make finding invoices easy. You can search using a date range, a reference number, or description. Then download, email, or export a list to your own accounting software in a CSV file, saving you a ton of time. Viewing your account balance and making safe and secure online payments is only a few clicks away in Eagles Connect. Click the teal Account Balance and Payment button on the home screen. Here you can view your credit limit, overdue accounts, and current month's balance, as well as make fast and secure credit card payments. To learn more about Eagles Connect, check out our other tutorial videos. If you have any questions, contact your local Eagles Plumbing Plus branch manager.